Hi, I'm John Kidwell with Allegro Real Estate, and we're here at the Hoops House in beautiful downtown Rockport. The main house was built in 1890. It has 3,244 square feet, 4 bedrooms and 4.5 baths, a fabulous, nice-sized dining room for guests, and a commercial kitchen. Let's walk around and take a look. Into the entry area. This house was meticulously restored in the early 1990s. If you look at the details on the entry doors and stuff with the colored glass, and just beautiful appointments in this house. Guest check-in area here, and then into that great dining room. To accommodate all your guests. The double-sided fireplace faces the dining room and out into the entry area. Coffee bar and butler's pantry. And then into the commercial kitchen to prepare all the great meals breakfast you'll have for your guests. And a beautiful breakfast dining area out on the sun porch here with beautiful murals painted by a local artist. Looking out onto the grounds and the swimming pool and gazebo area. Here we are at the top of the stairs going to the guest rooms. On the second level, there are 4 bedrooms up here, each with a bath and suite, and all decorated, period. House has beautiful hardwood floors and furnishings which are included. The tower bath, which is on the live oak suite, is the entire 3rd level of the house with a huge bathing area, both shower and clawfoot tub in there, a dressing area, and plenty of room just to relax up here. The Hoops House is on over half an acre of land, beautifully maintained grounds, great gazebo which was rebuilt after Hurricane Harvey, wonderful swimming pool and hot tub area. The pool house is 1,547 square feet. It has 3 guest rooms in it, each with a bath, of course. And then the mother-in-law's or caretaker's apartment is about 847 square feet. It's 1 bedroom, complete apartment with kitchen, living area, and a little office area. This is one of the guest rooms in the pool house, which was built in 1995. There are 3 guest rooms here. One of them right now is furnished to be a game room instead of a guest room, but certainly could be. Each one of them has a bath en suite. The Hoops House is registered on the National Registry of Historical Places and also on the Texas Registry of Historical Places. nice spacious guest facilities. So if you're interested in the Hoops House, give me a call. John Kidwell, 361-548-3691, or check it out on www.keallegro.com.